In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Gmail on your PC. If you find yourself working late into the night or just prefer a darker interface to ease eye strain, switching Gmail to dark mode can make a world of difference. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. So make sure your computer is on, you're connected to the internet, and let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. You'll want to log in if you haven't already. Once you're in and you're looking at your inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings button. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This is the quick settings menu. Within this menu, you'll find various options to tweak your Gmail experience. But for now, we are interested in changing the theme. So, locate the theme section in this menu. Once you find it, click on the option that says View All. This will open a new window displaying all the available themes you can apply to your Gmail. Now, in the theme selection window, you'll see a plethora of theme options ranging from solid colors to more intricate designs. Since we're focusing on the dark mode here, scroll through until you find a simple black rectangle. This represents the dark theme. Once you've located it, click on it to select it. A quick note here. Applying a dark theme helps lessen the brightness, reducing glare, and providing a cleaner look, which is easier on the eyes during prolonged usage. Once you've selected the dark theme, all that's left is to apply this change. You'll find a Save button located within this theme window. Click on Save to confirm your choice and apply the new theme. And there you have it. Your Gmail interface should now be set to dark mode. This change should help in making those late-night email sessions a bit more comfortable. And remember, if you ever feel like switching back to a different theme or even the original light mode, you can always revisit these settings and make the change just as we did today. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now enjoying the soothing effects of dark mode in Gmail. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital setup. See you in the next video.